How to log out SoundCloud app. So SoundCloud is a popular online audio distribution platform that allows users to upload, promote, and share music and podcasts. If you wish to log out, you simply need to launch SoundCloud and first make sure with the credentials you are logged into your account on SoundCloud app. So in order to log out, you simply need to head towards library icon at bottom right corner of your screen. And at the top right, you need to tap on gear icon to open settings. And at the bottom, you will find sign out. Simply tap on it. A confirmation message will appear. Tap OK to log out. And you have successfully logged out of SoundCloud. If you wish to log in back, you can tap I already have an account and log into your account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.